Hi, I'm Dave from Great West Equipment. Today we're going to show you some of the features and functions of Volvo articulated haulers. We are located today in beautiful Vernon, British Columbia. Now we will discuss our lateral inclination settings. There is no switch for this on the switch panel. It is a function of the IECU or the dash and is only accessible in service mode. With our lateral inclination settings, we can set three different ways. We can turn it off entirely, we can turn it so that it will be an alarm, and we can also turn it so that it's an alarm and the box will not go up if we exceed that value. That value is programmable in the dash. So again, the lower the value, if the truck was on a bit of an angle, either we'd have an alarm or the box wouldn't go up. The greater the value, the more the truck can be tilted off and it will still go up. This is defined by the end user's requests. Okay, now we are going to discuss our lateral inclination assist. This is an option that is adjustable in the display, but unfortunately it has to be in service mode. Once you're in service mode, you can go to your setup tab, settings, and go all the way down to your lateral inclination settings. We can have our three different options for our alarm mode. We can have it off altogether, we can have it alarm mode only, or we can have it so it is on and it will limit our dump box height. If we limit our dump box height, we choose the value of when the alarm should come on. You can scroll up and down 5 to whatever you'd like. At this point, we're going to put it down to 3% and hit escape. Now, if we see here on our dash, we are at 5% for our lateral inclination. We're going to try to lift our box up. The box will not lift. Critical lateral inclination, tipping is inhibited. You'll see here now, if we revert back to our setup menu and we scroll down to our lateral inclination settings, and we adjust that value higher than what our current machine is sitting at. We're at 9%, so we won't get an alarm until 9%. And since we're at 5%, you'll see here, the box will indeed go up.